Perfect. Man, nice size. Oh wow, some of that stuff is just flying even in here. Like you can see it on the ground, just like...
Oh good, someone's parked next to me so that my truck doesn't get to damage.
That's mighty nice of them. There's one bigger stone. Oh. God, I'd love to get that. But... Man, that ain't good.
Oh, I bet you're there.
Yeah, you can pull right on that back up, dude.
So like, it don't matter, I pulled in and it still hit me. I mean, it's that wind.
Yeah,
well, wind's directly out of the west.
Well, remember when we first got here, it's like, man, I might not be far enough in.
I mean, it's getting on my truck, too. It's on my truck.
It's hell it's bouncing in.
Yeah.
I mean, it's bouncing first, so it's not coming directly from the sky. Well, it is at the bottom of my car, though. Oh, that's awesome, because you can see it up there. Look. Yo, you see it, like, coming down?
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
Because look at that wind.
Oh, wow, look at it now. Just kind of, like, flowing with the water.